Hello everyone, and welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving into the world of website hosting, specifically Namecheap. Namecheap offers a variety of plans to fit most budgets. Their basic shared hosting starts at a super affordable rate, making it a great option for beginners. They also have higher tier plans with more features for those who need more power. Now, let's talk about features. Namecheap offers all the essentials you need, like one-click WordPress installs, free email accounts, SSL certificates for security, and reliable uptime, which means your website is less likely to experience downtime, frustrating your visitors. For more advanced users with complex needs, you might want to explore some other options. Head over to the link in the description below to check out Namecheap's plans and see if it's a good fit for your website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.